Hızlıyor.
Oh, I forgot to tell you the best part.
Oh!
Bye now.
Bye.
Bye.